Hello, welcome back. This is Late Night Origami with Daddy J, and tonight we will be making this lovely butterfly. These guys. And if you remember the pinwheel, it is very similar to that. So let's go ahead and get folding and grab your paper and let's go do it. Okay, now that you've got your paper, as always, let's go ahead and make our square. And if you remember from the last video, the pinwheel, you can just take your pinwheel and turn it into one of these things. We'll show you here in a second. Now remember, the lick and tear method always works well. Alright, let's go ahead and start our random folds. And I just fold it back into the triangle in half again, if you guys want to see that there. And in half. Like that. Back up. Back do it again. Open it back up. Fold it into a quarter. Like so. Open it back up. Fold it into a quarter the other way. And again on the other side. Open it back up again. Close it again. Take our pinwheel, folds like so, like that, collapse, and repeat on the other side. Alright, now we got our base pinwheel set up here. So what we're going to do now is fold these tabs straight back. And this is where, if you have your pinwheel from the last video, you can turn it into a butterfly. Fold them like that, flip it over, and fold this guy up like that. And stare, flip it over. Alright, so now we need to pull this little tab here, if you guys can see that. Needs to fold about halfway down here and up to this corner. Like so. See that there? Okay, do that on the other side. Yeah, you got them pretty close. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alrighty, stare at it some more. Alright, we need to go ahead and flip it over. And this part's a little tricky. So what we're going to be doing is creating a crease across it here. So you want to fold the whole body right to the center point. Like that. Okay, so we got this nice crease here. Go ahead and do it to the other side. And you don't have to be perfect, but getting it close as possible is best. Alright. There. This allows us to fold it. Yeah, I didn't quite get it good enough. There we go. That. that. And remember, if you like doing late night origami, go ahead and like and subscribe. I do this stuff pretty often. There you go. Origami butterfly. Alright. So I will see you guys next time on the next night. Thank you.